Here are the articles I made with my vending machine. And this is the vending machine. It has angle control, air cooled, handle for transportation, a small space to put the power plug, 600 watts of power, timer and power control, clock and the security switch. Also has a light indicator to show when the fan is working. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video you will see how I made my acrylic vending machine recycling old parts. You can download the plans for free. Check in the description below. I am using a panel command from a broken microwave. This is a connector for the security switch, and this one to power the panel. The relay that I will use to control the heater. I tested. Works. Here a metallic grommet from an old probe. A grill, and a fan, both from an old PC. Watch carefully the air flow direction. A red LED to show me the state of the 12 volts power supply, also from an old PC to air conducts. Recycled 12 volts power supply to power the fan. The connector for the power plug came from an old UPS. Two handles from old furniture, one to carry the machine, and the other to help lift the top of the bender. This security switch came from the door of the same microwave. The heat element was removed from a broken heater. I made two supports for the heating element. To control the power, I am using an old power variator from a kitchen fan. Just need to remove the potentiometer to put it in the command box. Connectors from a distribution box. There is a link for this wiring diagram in the description. The thermal switch came from the microwave. This one opened the circuit at 90 degrees Celsius. To place it, I'm using a core from a broken graphics card. As usual, I use a thermal paste. This switch will disable the relay that will activate the fan. These 2 hinges, joined with the press switches, are the only articles that I have to bought. Once again, to make the control box, I used the wood from an Oporto wine box, sanded and painted. The acrylic is from an old TV screen. Connections made to the press switches. The rubber feet came from the microwave. To make the hand control, I use a piece of wood, a piece of aluminium, a screw, some nuts and washers. Now, with paper tape, I made a template for the angles. Then print it and glue it. And now, let's bend a piece of acrylic. Nice and smooth pen. Very easy to use. I only can say that the next project is a tool. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and if you have enjoyed, thumbs up.